Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install the TikTok Lite application. So first you open the Google Play Store. Once you open the Google Play Store, you need to tap on the search bar on the top. Then there you type in TikTok Lite. Tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install just beside it. Tap on install and you wait for the application to be fully installed. You can see here the application has been fully installed. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully installed and downloaded the TikTok Lite application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.